Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am NK Joy Sweet. You're welcome to my humble and authentic kitchen. Thank you all for always tuning in. And today I will be making super delicious Nigerian fried yam with delicious sauce. Stay tuned and cook with me. I have previously washed my tomatoes and other ingredients, and now I'm going to dice the tomatoes. I will slice my onion. So now I'm going to peel the yam. In case you are just coming across my channel and you are just seeing my video for the first time, please don't just pass without subscribing. Kindly watch my video and subscribe to always get notification whenever I update any video. Kindly like, comment, and share with your loved ones. You can also stick around my YouTube community and check out some of my videos, any of my recipe that you love. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question, please feel free to send your question. So now I'm going to cut the yam and wash the yam to remove the dirty and sand. So I'm going to neatly cut the yam into cube shape in order to fry easily. Please, after watching this video and you like what you see, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So at this point, I will, in a frying pan, I'm going to heat up the vegetable oil for frying. Once it's all hot, I'm going to season this yam with a pinch of salt, and I will be I will also sprinkle potato spice. And now I'm going to Season the salt with a pinch of salt and also sprinkle fish spice. To get some good flavor. And also I'm going to rub the fish with baking flour. So now I'm going to fry the yam. I'll fry on both sides till it's golden brown in color. So once the yam is ready, I will take the yam out of pan. So now I'm going to be frying the fish. So now I'm going to remove the fish from the heat. In another saucepan or fry pan, I'm going to heat up a vegetable oil and stir fry the chopped onion and diced pepper. So now I'm going to stir fry the diced tomatoes. I'm going to add a canned tomatoes. So I'm going to stir fry for about 5 to 8 minutes. Then I will cover and allow to simmer. Now I'm going to add curry powder. This curry powder is homemade curry powder. Now I will add thyme, nutmeg, onion powder, so I'm going to stir very well. I'll add ground crayfish and seasoning powder. So guys, check it out. Food is ready. Check it out, guys. Tell me if you like what you are seeing. Please, guys, if you love this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Follow me on TikTok at NK Joy Sweet Kitchen, and my Instagram handle is NK Joy Sweet Kitchen. And thank you all. God bless you, and see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao. Bye.